In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to point a domain registered in Cloudflare to Siteground. First, head to your My Siteground dashboard and sign in. You should see the list of websites you've set up on your hosting account. Find the site you want to connect and open its site tools. This is where you'll manage most technical settings for that specific website. Inside Site Tools, look to the left-hand menu and open the Domain section. From there, go to DNS Zone Editor. This is the control panel for creating the DNS records that tell the internet where your domain should point. Even if your domain is registered elsewhere, these are the values you'll typically use to route traffic to your SiteGround server. Now choose Create New Record. You'll see options for different record types. Start with A. An A record maps a host name, like your root domain, to an IPv4 address. In the name or host field, use the root symbol if you want your main domain to point to your SiteGround server, and paste the IPv4 address provided by SiteGround in the value or points to field. If there's a TTL option, the default is usually fine unless you've been instructed otherwise. Next, select A. This does the same thing as an A record, but for IPv6. If SiteGround has provided an IPv6 address for your hosting, enter the same host in the name field and paste that IPv6 address as the value. If you don't have an IPv6 address from SiteGround, you can skip creating an AA record and just rely on the A record. Using both is ideal when available. Then choose CNAME and enter the details. A common use here is to point the www version of your domain to your root domain. In that case, set the name to and the value to your root domain. A SNAME doesn't use an IP address, it simply aliases one host name to another so they always stay in sync. When you've filled in the fields for each record type you need, click Create to save. Be careful not to create conflicting records for the same host. For example, avoid having both an A record and a CNAME with the same name. If you're adding multiple records, repeat the create and save process for each one. Once saved, give DNS some time to propagate. It can be quick, but it may take up to 24 hours to be fully consistent worldwide. After that, visit your domain in a browser to confirm it resolves to your SiteGround site. That's it, you've set up the DNS so your Cloudflare registered domain points to SiteGround hosting.